Hi everyone. So today we have this controller. Finally I had time to look into it. But this is a controller, this is a Nacon Revolution Unlimited Pro. It's mentioned over here. And the issue with this one, I opened this controller some time ago, so I will put here the link of this in the description where I opened this controller and a couple more, so you can see it if you want to. So this controller costed, I think, around 20 euros, and it just says that R1 have a small crack. So R1, so it's over here. So you can see over here, it's a small crack. So we can try it and see what's going on, if everything is working. This didn't come with the joysticks here, the sticks itself, so I will need to buy a replacement. I don't have idea how much it costs or if I can even find a replacement for this, so I will need to investigate. But first step is to see what's going on with it, if it's just this crack or not. So if it is, so then we can see if we can get a replacement or just glue it, because I don't see a big problem actually with it, just a small crack. This doesn't seem to impact anything, but let's try test it and then see. Okay, so we have here with the computer. So let's try with this is USB Type-C. So as well, didn't come with the original cable, and I guess I will try to put more or less like this for you to see. So first, if you want to see it, you can use the control panel. Just start here, and you have here control panel, and then you have here devices and printers. Just press it, and then it should appear. Actually, it appears here already, and you check game control settings and then properties. As well, you can use here you should be able to check everything if everything works, but as well you can use this online, this gamepad tester. I think should be okay. If it maybe let me refresh the page just to see if it will pick up something. So actually it detects, but it detects here in another tab. So you can use one or the other. Actually, this one is better to check the drift. At least for me, it's easier, so you can see. But let's use the Windows, because that is the default one for everybody, and you can see over here. So I will try to put it here close by, and you can see. So it's working in the back, working. These are, so this one R1. So I'm pressing, and you can see the number 6 over there, lightning. So it's all good. All of these work as well. The arrows, D-pad works. Pressing in the joysticks, everything fine. There is here these buttons. So this seems to be it works both sides. So basically everything okay. So let me check this one. Yeah, this one as well, and this okay as well works. So actually everything is working. It's not doesn't seem to have any issue. Drifting in the other page, I can see that there is no drift. Actually, it's quite okay. So definitely there is no drift. So for now, that's it. So what I will do, I will open the controller and see actually what is wrong with the just, or to glue it, or just see if I can replace it maybe. So let's open and let's check it how it is inside. And because there is not really much to fix here, or to glue it or to replace it, one of the options. So let's open and let's check. So I will skip, I think, all the opening. You can check my other video where I open this controller, that I disassemble everything so you can follow step by step, and then we can jump into the part here where we look to the button itself. So okay, we just took here this part, and to take these buttons over here, just have here some hinge, so you just pull it, and this side as well. So this is the one that is kind of broken, scratched. So from what I see, it's not a big deal, just a little bit over here in the back. You barely even see it. I just can see it in light. Of course, here in the front it's more visible. But what I will do, actually, I think I will not replace it. I will see if I can find some replacement. If it's cheap, I will buy it. But I think what I will do, I will just put here some super glue, and that's it. I guess I will not need to do anything else. Of course, if I will find some cheap replacements, but this is a bit tricky to find because it's very specific for this for Nacon, so it might be a bit hard. So let's use here some glue, and this is it. No, not okay. So this is actually the open one. Let's see if I have some. I do. So let's glue it, and that's it. Well, I'll just put it here a little bit, and that's it. You see, I'm not putting much as well. It should not, I'm just trying to spread it around, not to make very thick, not to here a little bit, and that's it. I'll try to open it a little bit just to see if it will go some inside, but yeah, I guess that's it. So leave it to dry. Hi everyone. So actually a few weeks passed because I ordered some other joysticks, so only now I had the time. I was as well on vacations. About here the button itself that I glued, so it was not this one, so it was this one over here. As you can see, still shows here the little kind of crack, but it's glued very well on the inside, and it does not move, so all should be good. As well, when we are putting it here in the controller, it just basically just has this top part of this plastic that just fits over here, so it doesn't impact anything even if you put a little bit more glue. So if it gets thick or something like that, thicker I mean, then should be fine. So for this button, then everything should be okay. Regarding the joysticks, I was not able to find the exactly same model, the Nacon. This is Nacon Unlimited Pro, right? Yeah, Unlimited Pro. So I could not find anything online for these ones. But what I did play around was the idea of using, for example, you could use a PS4 that will totally fit over here. Just need to put in the proper order. Yeah, so like this. So it will fit there, and then let me take these ones, and then it would work. Let's just try to put it over here in, just to see more or less, so you can see that it would work, but this would kind of fight the purpose of his controller, that you want to take the joysticks. So what I did do was I bought from Xbox. I don't know exactly what model, but I'll put it here in the description. I'll put the link to where I bought. So they are similar. I have them here actually. I have a bunch of them So actually this was all in a bundle. So you can see that here these parts on the top, it's different, you know, a little different. You can see that these ones are the original, this is the Xbox that I order. So it's a bit taller, but that should not be a big deal. Here in the back it's a bit similar. This goes maybe a bit higher here, but we can try and see if this will work. So let's put them in, and I can notice that when we put them in, they are quite easy to put. So not like the others or the PS4 that gets stuck there, you know, kind of very easy to take them out. So maybe not that tight. And then we have here the tops of the joysticks. So then if we want to take them, we can take, I bought these two types, this taller one and this more shorter one. And this is like all in a bundle. In general, I don't like them so tall, so I would like them these shorter, and actually there is another one even shorter. So I like probably the most shortest one. But let's try to put these and see if these will work fine. So this one went in, and these as well in. I think, let's see, they are easy to so yeah, if they are easy to fall, so we need to be careful when we put these in the controller. So probably I will put it just like that from the top, and then look here in the back how it goes. Yeah, so something like that. Of course I need to put here the rest of the buttons, but this is just to test. And seems okay. Here you can see when I'm going like to the bottom, you can see a bit here the inside of the controller. Probably these ones are a bit bigger, so when you move them, you don't see that. But well, this is the only option that I was able to find. But besides that, everything seems okay. Let's put here it's a bit taller ones. Of course, this I need to test then this one, and they are a bit strange. This seems a bit heavy. Not that is a problem. I think should be fine. Maybe because in general these ones are metal. Here this part and this part here, and you could see inside it's metal, so they are a bit heavier than usual. And then all the others, this is totally plastic, and this as well, these are totally plastic. This as well, to enter it's magnetic. This had here some kind of holes, so that's why it was very tricky to find the same ones. But in general seems okay. So what we can do for now, I will mount everything back, and then we can see after everything is mounted if it's easier to, or if it feels good. So let's mount everything again, and then we can check it out. Okay, so I did mount everything. Let's double check just if the field it's okay. It does actually. Now it doesn't even show here that hole that we were seeing in the beginning, because probably it was not yet very tight, and it will still be more tight because I didn't put here these screws yet, just to see. I'm a bit lazy to take everything out, and then here, okay, it's better. Even lazy to put everything in, and then if I need to take it out, then to disassemble everything again. So the feels seems quite good. So Probably it's not the ideal like it was with these ones, but I think should be fine. You know, the feeling seems good, doesn't seem kind of stuckish or anything. Of course I will try this with the game or something. Maybe I should show it here as well. So I will set it up to show it some simple game, just to see if everything is fine. Okay guys, so I did connect with the cable, so just to try some easy game. You can see, no, I don't feel any issue. I was playing around a bit, see. So of course this is a online game, so it's not like you can do like, and here the buttons works fine. Here this one that was with that we did fix with the glue, let's say. So yeah, I don't see any issue in general. Of course I'm not playing good here, but this is just, I use just this game in general just to test if there is any drift or anything like that. I don't see any drift, everything is fine. You can see me moving around. See, it's quite responsible, moving a bit. So I think in general all is good. So as you see, this is with these buttons. If you can find like the original buttons of this controller, just put in the link. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.